Hello and welcome back. Today I'm gonna finally make this promised ramsons or wild garlic pesto. Watch me. All you need is ramson or wild garlic, washed and cleaned, pine seeds, we're gonna roast them, Parmesan cheese, and be careful not to burn them, just roast them. Pine seeds, now I'm gonna mix it. Now add the Parmesan and mix it again, or chop it. And turn the mixture. Then you get this nice creamy consistency, nice color as well. Maybe a bit more oil. So this is my wild garlic or bear leek or ramson pesto. Smells deliciously delicious. Put it in little jars and enjoy. And that's it. Homemade bear leek pesto. And here we go. I'm already tasting it. Made some pasta from spelt. Put some Parmesan on it. And bon appetit. Jó étvágyat!